Alright guys, so today on Awesome Lawson, we're going back to the Chevy. You've probably seen in my previous uploads, I put in the solenoid. Come to find out it's like a brake to transmission or brake to shift solenoid. So that wasn't the issue. Sometimes the simplest things are the solutions, and I didn't even think about it at the time. But just looking at where the shift cable is to the transmission, there's a bracket right there, and I'll show you guys in the video obviously. And there's like a little tab. I actually have it on the new one right here, but like this tab right here is broken off, so it's not putting enough tension on there. So when you shift down, no problem, but once you shift back up, it's not holding enough tension on the cable to allow the cable to stretch far enough to shift it back up in the park. So that's what we're gonna do today. Got a new one here, 50 bucks on Rock Auto. I'm probably not going to use both of them. I couldn't buy the bottom section, which is all I need is this piece right here with the rubber, the rubber sleeve on it. But for 50 bucks compared to like AutoZone, like 80, 90 bucks, I just waited a couple days for Rock Auto. Actually, it came in like one day. It was pretty fast. Usually it's longer on Rock Auto. So I'm just going to hook this up today. Hopefully that's all I need to get by, and then we should be back on the road to hopefully test the rear end. I still haven't tested the rear end yet. Put it all in. Painted the shift differential cover and everything like that, but still haven't tested it out, so I'm hoping that's good too. So let's get to it, guys. Okay, guys, so back at it again. So this time I just had to do a shift cable. I'm hoping that's it. I didn't really do the adjustments I think I probably did. So I don't know. So let's just go through the gears right now. So this is in park right here, okay? So let's just see if it worked. Last time you saw it, it went through, or at least went down, but didn't go up. So let's check it out. Okay, reverse, neutral, drive, 3, 2, 1. Never had issues there, right? All right, let's go through it again. Oh, okay. Yeah. Feels solid. Oh, buddy. If we can get to park. Ho-ho! Score, you guys. We did it. Nice.